It is 23 April 2025, and this is when we started to put the plants into the soil and started, growing our own food. I hope you enjoy this journey with us and keep watching. We have started off by prepping the soil, mixing the soil that we've bought together with the nutrients that come with it. We've lined the tires to better, pack these vegetables in, and we just wanted to start this project at home in our backyard and just see how the whole thing really pans out. So these were still small crops that we had to transplant into these tires. So we've got the beetroot, mustard, spinach, and onions, chilies. I don't know the breed of the chilies, but yeah, we've also got thyme and peas. It's winter, it's windy, so I have to clean all of this up. These are the peas. This is thyme and a bit of spinach. This is chilies. I don't know what breed that is. And also more spinach here. It's growing really great. Here is the mustard spinach. There's also onions squeezed in there, also this side. This is lettuce. There's literally onions in every tire. There's also chilies there. Here we've got green pepper. So I don't know, because it's winter. This one is still thriving. I just took a whole green pepper and put it in the soil. So since we've separated this ones and put them individually, they've been slow, because these ones are growing longer than the ones that I've planted individually. And just as I was about to give up on my tomatoes, they start having some sort of life. There's one, there's two, there's three, but it's getting old in my opinion. There's definitely more still coming, but it's winter, so there wasn't much hope. There's also spinach. No, not spinach, sorry. There's also green pepper and onion in here, and more green pepper. So it could be competition. It could also be, I don't know, something else. There's beetroots in here. I don't think we're looking good on the beetroot, honestly. There's more tomato here. This one is giving me life. But again, it's winter, so it's a tricky situation. But I can only hope. I want to eat, okay? I've just put guavas in here. I don't know what I'm thinking, but we'll see. And there's more spinach. It's like this soil that we bought has spinach seeds in it, because spinach literally germinates everywhere in that soil. And this tire overall, we want to use it for potatoes, so I'm just waiting for the current potatoes to sprout. Like I said, it's winter, so our marigolds are, well, not doing so great. still colorful, but it's wilting, so that's all I can say. Of course, this is the type of chilies that we want to plant. It's mostly this type. Look at it when it's still fresh, and when it's wilted it looks something like this. This is what we have on our plants currently, and really just hoping for the best.